anyone will somehow coordinate it with Mike Gallagher, the outgoing congressman, or his people, given that you announced within hours of Gallagher saying he wouldn't seek re-election. Further, it is reported that his former campaign manager is one of your top consultants, that several of his staffers are working events for you, getting signatures for you, and that even most of your top fundraisers come from Gallagher's inner circle. How do you explain it to voters that are concerned that that is the case? Well, I can assure you that I had no connection with
Gallagher is fucking crooked.
when he made his announcement.
Gallagher's office is fucking crooked.
I
Can tell you all about it. Mike Gallagher. I asked him over and over and over and over, repeatedly to help me with something that they can legally help me with, and they refuse to do it because our governor, they refuse to help me because of our governor, which is Democratic. Something the governor said and did to him.
That I needed to get in this race
Fucking crooked. Gallagher is crooked. And Kerry from Gallagher's office is crooked too.